UTech admission. Here I have done the training. This is background noise, hotel, gas station, church and stadium. Station. Mickey. Station, stadium. Match fit. So over here I put some speech text, like when I hear church, they will go to like the church. I'll press the microphone and I'll say church. And it's going to the church. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is Ismaful and today I'm going to show you my final. Now I will add few blocks. Before adding some blocks, I would like to tell you something. First of all, we will add this block, listen and wait, over here. Now I'm going to add some blocks. So now as you guys can see that I have added these blocks. Now I'm going to press the green button and I'm going to say church and it will go over here. Church. Now it will.
Guys, this is my final project of AI. I named it as secret code. So the objective of the program is to replace the places with different words so the spy can identify it. Right section. Scratch. Just wait. Here, my man. So this is the programming of church, gas station, and this all. And I replaced the character to make it more cool. And I did all this programming in Scratch. Let me show you how this programming works in Scratch. Just wait for it. Programming is about like that. Whenever I say pray, then it will go to church. And whenever I say fighting, it will go to the stadium. Fly to the stadium. Whenever I say shut up, it will go to the hotel. Fly to the hotel. Whenever I say CNG, it will fly to the gas station. Now let me show you how this thing works in Scratch. I have used multiple coasters to look it more like animated. Now this might take a while to the programming to work because the machine learning is giving the data to the Scratch memory, so it might take a while. CNG, fight. Shut up. Fight. Shut up. Pray. Fight. CNG, fight. Shut up. Fight. Pray.
Stadium. Hotel. Gas station. Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Abdurrahman and this is my project Secret Code. Church. So church. Hotel. I will tell him where he will go. Hotel. So he go to hotel. Gas station. So he go to the gas station. Stadium. So he go to stadium.